is maybe winding up to make her move.
Thutha wa gũcokereria gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ kuma bũrũri wa Paris kũrĩa mahenya ma Paris Diamond maratabanagĩrio, njorua ya mahenya ma mita 5,000 thĩinĩ wa the Faith Kipyegon na ateng'eri angĩ nĩ mamũkĩrĩtwo thingira-inĩ wa iregi nĩ President William Ruto na mũnini wake Rigathi Gachagua.
I'm so emotional to be here. I feel appreciated. I was with many Kenyans in Paris. I can say walinipea motisha mpaka nikaweka world record. I was not expecting that.
Kipyegon ahotire ihenya rĩa mita 5,000 na rekondi njerũ ya ndagĩka 14 na sekondi 5.20 ihenya-inĩ rĩa Paris Diamond League.
She has won unbroken 2 world records in 1,500 meters, as I said, in Florence, Italy, and in 5,000 meters in Paris, in France. The government of Kenya is going to award her a total of 5 million for one record, and we are going to give her a house worth 6 million for the other record.
Agĩtũgĩria athaki aya, President augĩte akenya arĩa makoretwo magĩthiĩ nja wa bũrũri kũrũgamĩrĩra mĩthako-inĩ ngũrani nĩ makoretwo na itemi inene harĩ kũrirũkia bendera na kwendia rĩtwa rĩa Kenya, na kwoguo nĩ magĩrĩire kwambĩrĩria kũgunĩka na motungata ma mwanya.
Our sportsmen and women who excel should be given diplomatic passports and other national honors. We're going to work as a government to ensure that these great Kenyan ambassadors get the place of pride and move around the world with ease.
Kũringana na President, ihinda nĩ ikinyu rĩa athaki a gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na makĩria ateng'eri kwambĩrĩria kwĩrahĩra umithio wa wĩrutanĩri wao.
Going forward, we have decided as the government of Kenya that any Kenyan who participates in a world event and breaks a world record, unlike in the past when there was no recognition, going forward, for every world record broken by a Kenyan, the government of Kenya is going to award 5 million shillings.
I want to take this opportunity, as I congratulate Faith, to ask our athletes to be prudent in the way they invest the earnings they get out of their accomplishments. And as the CS has said, it is very saddening when we see people who have been very successful, famous, live in squalor and poverty after retirement.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Kate Muthoni.
Congratulations.